Teaching online. The fear of many, the wish of all. Not exactly, right? But if you're here, you like languages. If you like languages, you know some languages. And if you know some languages, the correct thing to do is to share with other people. How to start teaching online? Yeah, how to start teaching online. Today we're gonna be covering how to start teaching online on Italki. We could be covering Cambly, we could be covering Preply, but today we are covering Italki. So if you are interested in this topic, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Welcome to Shaklang, your favorite source of language learning and culture exchange. If you want to know more about this subject, don't forget to like this video and leave your comment in the down below. So guys, my name is Anna, and have you ever thought about teaching online? If you haven't, now you will. And if you did, but you don't know how to, you have to know something. When I was a child, I was 10 years old. My father enrolled me in a language school, in an English school, because he thought that it would be great for my future if I learned English. If you guys don't know, I'm from Brazil, and my native language is Portuguese. But I've been speaking English for so long now that it's natural for me. And just because my father enrolled me in this school, and later he doubted that I could do it on my own because I said I don't want to go to this school anymore. Just because I wasn't getting anything that the teachers were teaching. It was too far advanced for me. You understand? I say, no, Dad, keep your books to yourself. But here's the thing, my father cried. Like, my father lamented, right, that I was dropping out of school. English school, not normal school. And he said, I doubt that you are. It's impossible that you're gonna learn a language by yourself. And here I am, 10 years later, 5 languages, and a lot of will to learn more. Yes, that's what we do here. We help you learn new languages because we are learning new languages as well. And it would be great if everyone in the world wanted to learn new languages, exchange cultures, because it enriches us. It brings us together. It brings us understanding. What? It makes us understand each other much better. So it's a great thing to exchange cultures and language. And that's why we're here, right? So I started teaching on Italki last year, 2019. And after trying for 4 years, not 4 years? 3 years to get accepted by Italki. Yeah, I know. But that's just because I wasn't following the rules of Italki. In one video I was recording with my hand, which is forbidden. In the other video, I didn't say where I am from. That's also forbidden. You have to say where you're from. So today we're gonna be covering how to be a teacher on Italki. There you go. Here we are in the page of Italki. I am logging in from my browser on my phone, but you can easily do it. It's even better if you do it from a laptop. Okay? So let's do this. You will just click on sign up, and you're gonna fill these forms here, like name, email, password. Just make a normal account, okay? I've got my account, so I'm gonna log in normally here. Sorry guys, I forgot to put it on desktop side. It's ideal if you put it in a desktop side version. Now there you go. Now you can see my face. You see, very tempting. So in here we've got these entries, these pages, and you can click how do I become an Italki teacher, and remember, go read, go get informed, okay? So, okay, you just scroll down, and here we've got a session, very interesting session. Look, language teachers, teaching, and more. And teaching, become a teacher. There you go, you're gonna click on this. Just remember, keep your price low at the beginning and go increasing as the demand increases. Don't add $50 an hour at first, because this is not gonna attract people. People want to think cheap and good and cheap, good and cheap. So give them good and cheap, and in future, most probably, if you do it with love, you're gonna get people to like it so much that you're gonna increase your price and they will still wanna have classes with you. Just like that. Just like that. So remember to follow the guidelines of recording a video, of what you say in the video. Be confident about yourself, train, do a lot of practice. I know we don't have patience. I don't have patience. We don't have patience to learn to do it. But if you really want to earn in dollars, but it shouldn't be your goal. The goal should be exchanging languages. So if you like, if you are here, you like languages. If you like language, you know some languages. And if you know some languages, the correct thing to do is to share with other people. Yeah, the correct thing to do is to share with other people. So how can you do it, Ernie? With Italki, Cambly, and other websites for teaching, like tutoring websites. So if you are an English teacher, we most probably aren't. Just pick the community tutor and go for it. Comment down below if you're gonna try it. If you're gonna try, I want you to comment down below. I'm gonna try it today or this week. I wanna see you try and be a tutor on Italki and teaching languages all over the world. Okay? See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow us on Instagram for more content like this. Comment down below what content you want next, and see you in the next video.